In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or change sales tax rates in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're adjusting your rates for the new fiscal year or making changes due to regulatory updates, managing sales tax in QuickBooks is straightforward. Let's dive right in. First off, if you aren't already on QuickBooks, make sure to sign up. Having an account is the first step before you can begin managing your finances. Once you've signed up, you'll want to click on the Sign In option if you already have an account. Enter your login details to access your account, and when prompted, click Continue. After signing in, you'll need to enter your password. Again, hit Continue after entering your credentials. Now, you'll choose the company file that you want to work with. Select the appropriate file that you want to modify sales tax rates in, and head over to your QuickBooks dashboard. Now that you're in, navigate to the sales tax section. QuickBooks organizes this neatly so it's easy to locate. Once you're in the sales tax section, take a moment to review your tax agencies. QuickBooks is efficient in automatically updating rates for most tax agencies. However, it's essential to check these listings and ensure everything is up to date and accurate. If you need to make manual adjustments or add a new rate, locate and click on Add Rate and Agency. Alternatively, select an existing tax rate if you're looking to make edits. Here, you'll enter the new rate percentage, as well as the effective date for these changes to apply. If necessary, update the agency name and filing frequency too. Depending on changes in your reporting obligations or changes in tax periods, this might be a crucial step. Click on the field that says Start of Tax Period and set the appropriate start date. This will sync up with when your tax reports will reflect these new rates. You may also need to adjust the reporting method depending on your needs. Once you've made all the necessary updates, it's time to save your changes. Click on the Save button to apply and lock in these changes. This final step ensures your QuickBooks reflects the most current tax rates, ready for accurate reporting and compliance. Updating or changing sales tax rates in QuickBooks Online is a vital task to ensure your business stays compliant and your financial records remain accurate. By following these steps methodically, you'll keep everything running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other QuickBooks tutorials to further maximize your use of this powerful tool.